Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make your own Notion dividers for free. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do it on Canva. I will be making some other videos on the other ways that I make them. Today's going to be Canva. I will show you what to do if you want to use the free version and if you have a paid version. There's just one more step you'll need to do if you have the free version, but I'll show you how to do it. So I'm going to start over here in Canva and create a design. And I'll go to a custom size. And I always start with 2000 width, and the height can be anywhere from 25 to 100 depending. You can play with it to see how wide you want your dividers. So I'm going to show you with 50. And I have my Notion over here to show you guys. Here's one of the dividers, and here's what they look like when they are smaller. This is just my dashboard, and I use them if I want some extra decoration, if I want to separate stuff. So I will show you really quick how to make a free one. So we're gonna go into the elements, and let's say I want to make some coffee dividers. I'll go to the graphics. Now, some of these are premium graphics, so if you have a premium Canva account, you can use it. I will go through here and just pick some of the free ones. So I just click on it, and I like to zoom in. You might have a keyboard shortcut for it. Otherwise, you can do it right on the screen. Let's see. My keyboard shortcut for zooming is the Windows key. I use a Mac, but I use a Windows keyboard. So if I hold that and I scroll in and out with the scroll on my mouse, and I think you can set up the shortcuts. So I am just going to make some copies, and now I'm holding Alt. Again, it might be something different for the Mac keyboard. And I'm not even making sure these are evenly spaced right now. And I'll show you why. And you can use as many elements in here as you want. I'm just going to show you really quick. Just using the one graphic. And if you do this little plus here, it'll just do it again. Let me see how many more we need. Okay. I'm just gonna, and again, I'll show you why I am not evenly spacing them. And then I want to put the one that I want on the very end. Okay. So I'm gonna click and drag, select them all. And then I'm gonna go up here to position. And I'm gonna do tidy up. So it'll make sure they are spaced evenly. Now I'm gonna group them, and then I'm gonna make sure that they're center and middle. It moves the whole thing. They already are, so it's grayed out. Okay, so this, if you have a premium account, you're going to go to share, download as a PNG, and then you can click transparent background. And I will show you. There we go. I will show you, there's just an extra step if you do not have a premium account because you can't download it with a transparent background. You could always just download it as is, but then it will have the white in the back. I'll show you that too. So with the transparent background, that's what your divider will look like. Let's do it without the transparent background. You might like it that way. You might want it to have a background. So let's try this one. So if you have a free account, you could always do it this way, and we'll see what it looks like if we make it smaller there. So you can do it that way if you want. So here is another option though. So if you have the free Canva account, grab any color picker tool. I use this one called Color Slurp. and you can download it for free. I have the premium version just because it has some extra features, but you don't need to have one. I'm going to grab this here, and I know there's a ton of other ones. I'm going to just grab the background color of what whatever if you're using light mode or dark mode. So I am going to make a square on my canvas. Let me show you. Just gonna drag and drop it, or resize it. Okay, and it doesn't really matter what size, as long as you just cover the whole area. Okay, and then I'm going to go up here to the color. And then if you go to this plus, then you can put in the color that you just copied from your color picker tool. And then you can grab these. Let's make sure they are positioned right. Let me delete that one. And now, actually, let me delete this one so it doesn't try to download this one too. Okay, so now we're gonna share it as a PNG. We're not gonna do the transparent background. If you have the free Canva account, you can also do it as a JPEG. So let's download that. I'm gonna drag and drop it to my desktop, and then I'm gonna bring it over here. And so even though it's not transparent, it still matches your background. So if I change this to light mode, you'll see here. So if you use light mode, it looks like the white one. Oh, that is the transparent one. Let's see what the white one looks like. You might have to change it a little. You can always do the color thing too on the white color, but it looks like it matches pretty good. Those are pretty similar whites. Okay, so it just depends if you're using dark mode or light mode. And then you can just keep making more, and then you can share, and then it will download all of them in one zip folder. So if you want to make 10 of them and then keep a folder somewhere, or you could even keep a Notion document with all of your dividers. And if you want to just download some free ones instead while you're learning to make those, you can head over to my website. I have a ton of free ones. If you go to my Notion shop and head over here to my Notion dividers, they're free. And some of these I've made in Canva, some of them I've made in an Affinity Designer and Publisher, and I'll make a video showing how to do those. And okay, so if you want to just come over here and grab some free ones, you can do that too. Let me know if you have any questions about making your dividers in Canva. You can sign up for a free account. Notion is free, so you can do all of this for free. Let me know if you have any questions, and let me know what you want to learn next. And have a great day. Thanks.